Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Natasha Hamilton. I am a luxury realtor with eXp Realty. And on this channel, I break down real estate market updates in a clear, simple way so you can actually understand what's happening, especially in the high-end communities like Kleinburg. So before we get started, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below. It really helps support the channel. I've also added helpful links in the description below, including my contact information and other market updates you may find helpful and useful. So today we're diving into the Kleinburg Real Estate Market update for January 2026 and what the numbers really mean and how buyers and sellers should be thinking strategically right now. Kleinburg is one of Vaughan's most prestigious and sought-after luxury communities. It's known for estate-style homes, larger lots, privacy, and long-term value. So, because supply is limited and turnover is low, Kleinburg behaves very differently from the broader GTA market. Prices don't move the same way, and headlines don't always tell the full story here. While Kleinburg is generally more stable than other areas, it is not immune to market shifts, which is why understanding timing, pricing, and strategy is especially important in this community. So let's start with a high level snapshot of where Kleinburg Market sits right now. So as of January 2026, the average sold price is approximately $1.74 million, which represents a 27.3% increase year over year. And homes are taking on average about 37 days on market to sell. And properties are selling at about a 95% asking price. And over the past 56 days, there have been 55 new listings, but only 14 homes have sold, which tells us that this is a slower, more selective luxury market. Understanding average versus median price. So, this is a very important concept, especially in luxury markets like Kleinburg, because the average sold price is $1,738,000. However, the median pricing is not published consistently for Kleinberg due to low sales volume. So in luxury markets, a few very high-end sales can significantly raise the average prices. So this is why street level comparables, lot size, condition, and the layout matter far more than average prices alone. On paper, a 27.3% year-over-year price increase looks extremely strong. However, sales pace has slowed significantly compared to peak market years. So buyers are no longer rushing or overbidding, and price growth does not automatically translate into fast sales, which is why strategic planning and pricing and positioning are now essential. In the past 56 days, only 14 homes sold, while 55 new listings came to market. That's roughly four listings for every one sale. So this indicates growing buyer choice and increased competition among sellers, marking a shift towards a more balanced market environment. Current average days on market is 37 days. For a luxury market, this is still healthy, but represents a shift from the rapid sales of previous years. So buyers are taking more time to review properties, conduct inspections, and negotiate terms carefully. Inventory levels are rising across Vaughan and New York regions, and Kleinberg is trending towards a balanced to buyer leading market. So, increased inventory reduces urgency and allows more due diligence and creates stronger negotiating conditions for buyers. Homes in Kleinberg are selling at about 95% of asking price. So this shows bidding wars are no longer the norm, and overpricing leads to longer days on the market and price reductions, while strategic pricing attracts serious buyers a lot sooner. So detached homes dominate the Kleinberg market with the average listing price around $4.57 million. Townhomes average approximately $1.36 million, And while condos are extremely limited, detached estate style properties drive the overall pricing trends. Kleinburg commands prices well above the Vaughan benchmark and GTA average, making it a premium outlier. However, interest rates, buyer confidence, and broader GTA trends still influence buyers' behavior here. Mortgage rates have stabilized with 3-year fixed rates around 3.85%, 5-year fixed near 3.79%, and 5-year variable around 3.4%. The Bank of Canada has held its policy rate at 2.25%, improving buyer confidence. For buyers, this market presents opportunity for sure. There's more negotiating power, less competition, and more flexibility to include conditions. And strategy matters more than speed in today's environment. For sellers, pricing, precision, and presentation are critical. I've said this before. Overpriced and poorly marketed homes sit longer and sell for less. So, preparation and positioning are essential for success in today's market. Looking ahead, 2026 is expected to be a lot healthier and more sustainable market with moderate price growth, normalized inventory, and balanced negotiation dynamics. Kleinburg remains a premium community with strong long-term fundamentals. Market dynamics have shifted, buyer leverage has increased, and data-driven decisions outperform emotional reactions. If you're thinking of buying or selling in Kleinburg, I recommend a personalized street level analyst. You can reach me using the contact information on screen and also check out the helpful links in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.